Welcome to this chakra meditation. Find a comfortable seated position, close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly, letting go of any tension. Settle into this moment, feeling present and aware. Begin by setting an intention for this meditation. It could be find balance, peace, or simply to connect with your inner self. Hold this intention gently in your mind as we start our journey. Bring your attention to the base of your spine, your root chakra. Visualize a vibrant red light glowing here. Feel the grounding energy connecting you to the earth. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling strength and stability, exhaling any fears or insecurities. Move your focus to just below your navel, your sacral chakra. Picture a warm orange light radiating from this area. This is the center of your creativity and passion. Breathe in creativity and joy, and breathe out any blockage or guilt. Shift your awareness to your solar plexus, above your navel. See a bright yellow light shining. This is your power center. Feel your confidence and determination growing with each breath. Inhale empowerment, exhale any doubt or shame. Bring your attention to your heart chakra, your heart center. Visualize a soothing green light here. This is the seat of your love and compassion. Breathe in love for yourself and others. Breathe out any hurt or resentment. Focus now on your throat chakra and see a clear blue light. This is your center of communication. Feel the clarity and honesty in your voice. Inhale truth and expression. Exhale any fears of speaking out. Move your focus to the middle of your forehead, your third eye chakra. Picture an indigo light. This is your center of intuition and wisdom. Breathe in, insight and clarity. Breathe out any confusion or doubt. Finally, bring your attention to the top of your head, your crown chakra. Visualize a violet or white light radiating upwards. This is your connection to the divine, universal consciousness. Inhale unity and enlightenment. Exhale any feelings of separation or disconnection. Take a few moments to sit in this energized and aligned state. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes and gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of peace and alignment with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining this chakra meditation. I wish you all the best. Namaste.